Nice to see you back here on Festool TV. My name is Frank. Today we'll be discussing how to shorten a door frame. We can do that with an accelerator. I think most of you will be familiar with this problem. When laying parquet or laminate flooring in an apartment, the flooring should lie under the door frame. There's already a number of videos online about this situation. We've also made a video about that before. But today I'm going to demonstrate how to perform this application dust-free. I'll be using the Vecturo OSC 18. It's a cordless tool that works with a compact 18-volt battery pack. I've set it up with a Bluetooth interface. This means the battery pack can be connected to the extractor. That's a great advantage. I can cut the door frame without generating large volumes of dust. I want to be working cleanly, especially if I'm laying a floor in a residential property. The result should be that I can lay the laminate under the door frame. I'll put this to one side. I've already prepared a sample piece. I'll use this to get the right height. I still need the corresponding saw blade. I'll attach it to the machine using the Starlock system. It's very simple and convenient. This means I can replace my saw blade very quickly. All I have to do is push the green lever upwards. The saw blade falls out. Then I can insert the required saw blade easily. I'll mount the dust extraction attachment at the front. I'll fit it directly onto the suction hose. There's the option to fit it and secure it with a bayonet lock. This holds it tightly in place. Now I'll fit it onto the OSC 18 using the adapter and turn it. This ensures that my dust extraction is right at the front. When I begin, the extractor doesn't yet switch on too. I've got to connect it first. I'll press this little button here once. Then a blue LED lights up. Now when I start, the extractor starts up too. Both are paired. Both are connected. Now I can get started. We'll do that now too. The door frames are now cut. We still need to remove the cut pieces. Now we can lay the laminate.
Hier reinlegen.
It fits beautifully. We've got a clean finish. Plus, we haven't generated much dirt doing it. I hope you've learned a lot about how to work with the OSC 18 accelerator. I hope you'll tune in again soon. See you there. See you next time.